Good morning, Wood Creek. I'm your anchor, Jessica Brown, with your school broadcast station, and we're here to bring you the latest in campus news. Seniors, it is time to submit your senior signature to the Lycos yearbook. Senior signatures can be turned in from October 26th to November 20th. There are two ways to turn in your signature this year: at the table outside of the front entrance to the quad, or online by going to bit.ly/WHS21signatures. Please make sure to read the instructions and requirements, as signatures that do not follow the guidelines may be rejected for publishing. In addition to senior signatures, you can purchase a yearbook and find updated information about senior portraits at www.woodcreekyearbook.com. It is almost Halloween, and even though it is Saturday this year, that won't stop us from getting into the Halloween spirit. If you wore your costume to class today, you receive spirit points for your class. And remember, the class with the most points in May will receive free tickets to Night on the Quad. Also, if you post a picture on your Instagram story, tag @Wood Creek High School, and you have a chance to earn a prize. It's that time of year again for our annual canned food drive, going from October 31st to November 23rd. Our goal this year is 10,000 cans, and this year in particular, it's very important to donate. So make sure you're following the @Wood Creek High School on Instagram for more information on the drive and opportunities to donate. Fiestival is going to look a little different this year, but it will still be amazing. And what better way to participate than to enter the Wood Creek TikTok Challenge? Share your culture on TikTok by uploading a cooking segment of you cooking and enjoying your favorite cultural food, creating a cultural art piece, demonstrating a cultural gamer activity, sharing your own cultural performance, or showing off your favorite cultural attire. Include the hashtag WHS Fiestival in your caption and you could win merch from our student store. Appropriate submissions with the most likes will win, so keep your submissions positive and culturally appropriate and celebrate your heritage. Well, that's all we have for you this week, Wood Creek. Don't forget to tune in next week for another update on campus life. I'm Jessica Brown, and have a great morning, Wood Creek.